Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to unlock any Motorola phone from your carrier. Today I'm going to be using my Motorola G72, but this will work for any model. This will make your phone compatible with any SIM card. I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables and no software required. So with that said, let's begin. Step 1. We need to get the phone's IMEI number. We will get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen. This number can also be found in the box and in the settings of your device. Step 2.
We're gonna use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. Processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras.
Step 3. After receiving the notification that your phone has been unlocked, we're going to power off the device and you will need to remove the SIM card tray and insert a non-supported SIM card. In other words, a SIM card that is different from the original carrier. Once you have inserted a SIM card power on your device, it will take a few seconds to recognize the new device and a message will pop up requesting the unlock code. If you received an unlock code in your email, this is the time to enter it and press unlock. You will get a success message indicating that your phone has now been unlocked. Perfect, now you can use your phone with any carrier anywhere in the world. For some US carriers like T-Mobile, you will need to launch the Device Unlock app, which is an app that is already pre-installed in your device. Simply open the app and click activate the unlock by pressing unlock. And after that, your phone should be fully unlocked. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.